Do you have a small trading account and you're trying to figure out how to create yourself weekly income? If yes, this video is for you. You're going to learn in this video how to use credit spreads to give you defined risk and consistent income. And don't worry if you have no experience, I'm going to walk you through step by step. Now please do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm putting up videos just like this helping you learn how to trade options. And when you subscribe, that helps other people find the content too. So thanks for that. Now I'm going to show you click by click in my screen exactly how easy it can be. And I encourage you to try these trades using a paper account first. That way you don't spend any of your real money. I'm going to show you that as well. So let's jump right in. All right, so let's say you want to trade Nvidia, but you really can't afford the price because it's kind of expensive. I'm going to walk you through selling a credit spread on Nvidia. And you can do a couple of things. You can capitalize on the movement of the stock, and you can do that in a risk-defined manner. Now let's walk through it together. I'm using the easiest app to use in order to help me put the trade together. So I'm going to fetch the Nvidia data first, and then I'm going to choose the expiration date. Now an advantage of trading Nvidia is that it has expirations 3 times a week instead of only once. A lot of stocks only have weekly expirations. So this gives you more flexibility. And let's just use an example of next Friday. Now what I'm building is a put credit spread. And what that means is that I'm selling a put that's underneath where the stock is trading, and I'm buying another put underneath that to give me protection. Now I get to choose the strike price. I pull up this box here, and what I want to do is I want to look at delta. Delta is the statistical likelihood that the stock is going to drop that far before the contract expires. So I want something kind of far away, but not too far where I don't make that much money. So you want to find the balance. Let's start with a 35 delta. That's a $220 strike price. And the stock right now is trading at 223, like we can see here. Now we also get to choose how much risk we're going to take on the trade. So we can risk, for example, $500. We can risk a little bit lower, $250. Let's risk only $250 for this trade. We're going to calculate it, and the app is going to do all the work for us. And the trade it put together is selling the $220 put, like we can see here, and then we're buying the $217.50 put. Now for an example, this trade gives us a credit of 73 cents. Now because each contract represents 100 shares, that means that $73 would get dropped into our account right when we make the trade. And the most that we can lose on the trade is $176.50. That's our $2.50 spread, less the credit that we received. Now this app even tells us where our break-even point is, meaning that Nvidia can drop to $219.27 before you even lose any money. So you know ahead of time before you make the trade. Now let's take a look if we wanted to risk a little bit more money, for example $500. We're going to recalculate the numbers here. Now if we're risking more, we're generally making more, and we can see that our net credit here is $128. And now our break-even point, the point at which we won't lose any money, goes down a little further to $218.72. Now you can use this calculator on any stock. For example, let's say you just want to trade SPY, which is the S&P 500 index. Now an advantage of SPY is that it trades every single day, so it gives you maximum flexibility. Let's choose a trade about 2 weeks out. Now we can see here that SPY is trading at $7.73 per share. Now we choose our short strike here, and again we want to go a little bit away from where it's trading because we want to give ourselves a cushion in case the stock drops a little bit. So let's say we sell a $7.65 put. Now we also get to choose our risk, which is also known as width here. So we can risk $200, we can risk a little bit more, or we can risk less. Let's say we only want to risk $100 because we just want to get our feet wet. We're going to calculate the trade here, and just like before, it pulls up the whole trade for us. So for example, if we sell the $7.65 put and buy the $7.64 put, the credit we receive is $23, and the risk that we're taking on the trade is $77.50. So keep in mind, you really have to be successful on 3 or 4 of these in a row in order to increase your capital. Now, credit spreads can be a little bit confusing if you're new to trading, so I highly suggest you use a paper trading account. And we have that in this app. In fact, we can build this trade and we can send it right to our paper trader app by just clicking a button like so. So how was that video, huh? Do you see how easy it can be? It takes a little bit of time to learn, but once you know the foundation and the fundamentals, it's just practice, practice, practice. And if you're looking for practice inside of a group, I'm running an amazing paper trading competition where you can learn as you go and maybe win some money at the same time. So check out the links in the description below. Hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!